Hello everyone, you're welcome to Kharis tutorials. Today I'm Simeon Grace, and today I'll be taking us on how to sew our off-shouldered blouse. It's a casual wear, can be worn to an office on a casual day. We've done the cutting in our last class, and today we'll be doing the sewing. So let's move on. We have the front and the back cut the same way. Here I'm using a stretchy fabric, so there's no need for allowance. All I'm just going to do is to bring out the shape just from the side. After that, I'm going to fold the base of the sleeve and attach it to the main blouse. I'm also going to fold this and we'll move on from there. So let's join the sides first. Okay, so this is the blouse. The next thing is to fold the edge of our sleeve. I'm going to fold it in. Next thing is bringing out the round sleeve measurement, and that is 5 inches. The round sleeve is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5 inches. So attaching the sleeve to our blouse, I'm just going to bring the joint parts on the sleeve together with the side joining. I'm going to align the joining and I'm going to join this and I'll join the other side. So I'll do the same thing to the other sleeve. We've attached the sleeve, and the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to measure 2 inches. I'm going to measure 2 inches. Now remember we said this in the cutting. 2 inches, and I'm going to cut it off. So having cut this 2 inches, I'm going to fold my fabric into two, fold into two, and I'm going to double it. So my folding is in four, is into four now. And I'm going to place this. I'm going to cut it out straight. So at the end of the folding, I'm going to slant, instead of cutting it straight, I'm going to slanting my hand. Remember, we need 2 inches. So the measurement here, that's the round shoulder measurement. Remember, it's 36, so 36 is 18 inches. 18 inches. And from the 18 inches, I'm going to slanting my hand. Okay, so from here, I'm going to slanting my hand. The cape is 2 inches. 2 inches. So I'm going to have 2.5 inches. And I'm going to slanting it. So 2.5 inches is what I want to measure out. 0.5 inches. That's 2.5 inches. I'm going to slanting this. Okay, so placing the 2 inches to cut out the cape. Remember, the round shoulder measurement is 36 and that is 18 inches. Divided by 2 is 18 inches. So I'm going to slanting the two sides. I'm going to slanting on both sides. And also this, okay? And I'm going to measure out 2.5. 2 inches is the cape measurement, so I'm going to measure out 2.5 inches. I have my 2.5. The next thing I'm going to do is to join the sides. I'm going to join the sides of the cape. So I guess we are done sewing our blouse. Yeah. So all I'm just going to do is to make sure I weave the neck round. So that's the hand, that's the front and the back. Now we can rock our blouse. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. If you enjoyed the class, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the notification button in order to get notifications for every of our new posts. I remain Simeon Grace, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. And you can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.